Hey everybody, it's Mark. It's RV time. No intro music on this one. It's just a short video to show you how I store my ratchet straps. Now, the straps I'm using are these Hallmaster by Harbor Freight, 1 inch by 15 foot, 400-pound load rating. Now it's a light duty strap, but I'm not doing any sort of heavy duty ratchet strapping. I'm not transporting big furniture or heavy appliances or anything of the sort. I'm just putting light cargo on my truck bed cover, maybe a cargo bag, or our e-bikes. So for that, these work just fine. I've seen a number of videos where people are storing their ratchet straps by doing what I call the roll and hook method. I don't know if it's really called that. That's what I call it, where they take the long strap and they roll it up and then they place it on the ratchet mechanism and they use the tail end of the strap to wrap around it and hook it all into place. That doesn't really work for these straps. They're kind of thin and floppy, and it takes a long time to roll this up, and it doesn't really work. So here's the roll. It took me almost 2 minutes just to do this. Then you're supposed to place it on the ratchet mechanism and use this part of the fixed end. I call this the tail strap. You're supposed to wrap it around somehow and secure this hook onto the ratchet mechanism somewhere, somehow. And it doesn't really work for this strap. So what I came up with is what I call the T method. You can see it forms a T. Very secure, very strong, very reliable, and very repeatable. Also very easy to do. Let me show you how it goes. So the first step is to take the long strap and wrap it around the S hook. And what I do is about every 4 folds, I pull it tight, make sure it's all nice and snug and tight. By the way, this is the most time-consuming part of this method, and it's really not very time-consuming. It only takes about 45 seconds to do. There you go. Step 1 is done. Okay, so now I'm going to take my strap, just put it there for now. Don't worry, that's not going to unravel. I'm going to take my ratchet mechanism and I'm going to adjust it so that the slot on the spindle is on top like that and open it up all the way. I'm going to take this strap, I call this the tail strap. I'm going to fold it and push it up through the slot on the spindle so that it's like that. I'm going to take my strap, put it through the loop, and put it so that it's sitting flat on the flat part. So it's sitting flat, it's not sideways, it's sitting flat, and it's on this flat part, not on the handle part. Now just pull this tight and just ratchet it as much as possible. A little more, there we go. This is now very, very tight. I'm going to take this S hook and slip it over the end. That step is important because it helps keep it all held together. That's all there is to it. All done. This is very strong, very secure. It's not going anywhere. Now to take this apart, all you have to do is slide the S hook off, open it up, and give this a little twist. Well, let me show you something. Notice that when I ratcheted the tail strap, it didn't wrap all the way around the spindle. That's good. That's what allows us to loosen this up. So to loosen it, open this and just give this a twist and it'll pull on that tail strap and you can slip it right out. There you go. That's all there is to it. Adjust the ratchet so that the slot is on top. Open it up all the way so I have some room to work. Take my tail strap, put it up through the spindle. So it's like that. Take my strap, put it through the loop so it's sitting flat on the flat part. Pull this tight and ratchet it as much as possible. I get one more. Let's see. Yep, get one more. There, that's done. Take this S hook and slip it over the end. Very secure. Now to undo it, just slip this off the end, open it, and give this a twist. Pulls on that tail strap, comes right out. Very easy. One thing you'll want to do, the ends of these straps fray really easily. Mine ended up fraying after using them just 4 or 5 times. So just take a lighter and just singe the end of the strap. That'll melt the polyester and fuse it all together. That won't fray. So that's it. I hope you found this at least marginally useful. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.